Hello everybody on YouTube, this is Phil and the Wildlife Files. In my Great Crested Grebes video, Tom asked me what noises do they make? Are they noisy? Well Tom, here's a couple of clips to answer that question for you. So there you have it Tom, that is the noise the Great Crested Grebes make, and thanks for asking the question. It's March the 22nd, 2010 and the water level is at 8. So here we are at the beginning of the Heron Trail where the new Environmental Education Centre is being built, and as you can see the scaffolding is still up because there's a long way to go yet. The balcony's got to be in place, the electricity's got to be wired in, and the plumbing has got to be plumbed in of course. But it's looking quite good, and as I said before, it's not really such an eyesore, and I can't wait until I see this in its full glory. So here we have the educational pond. I'm not convinced that it isn't losing water, but then several factors can contribute to this appearance. The weight of the water moving the bottom of the pond around. But whatever the reason, it certainly seems to be holding more water than it did in the beginning, before the liner was placed. I can't wait until this has all the plants and trees and bushes and everything else that comes with it around it. It's going to look totally awesome. Now there in the background is the new Environmental Education Centre. And as you can see, it really isn't such an eyesore, and it is in a perfect position, overlooking the educational pond and the water marker where I always visit first on the Heron Trail. Okay, let's take a look at some of the other clips from today on March the 22nd, 2010. The music is by the one and only Elliott, and it is called If Every Day Was Like Today. And I really wish every day was like today. It's been awesome. Thank you for watching people, and I'll see you next time here on the tube in the Wildlife Files.
If every day was like today, I'd know what to do and what to say. If every dream was made this way, you'd be here and not so far away. And maybe tomorrow things would work.